Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see likes for free on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, let's go ahead and access the OkCupid first. For my case, I would like to access it through my browser. Over here you can see once you have access, and make sure you are logged in as well. Once you're done logged in, you will find this kind of interface with your account's info. You can now go back to your home section. You can find this kind of interface. Where you can go ahead, tap, swipe right or left according to your interest, and then if you would like to see if somebody has liked you, apparently in OkCupid, if you and another member like each other, they will let you both know for free automatically. You will get the notification that this person has liked you. Here in this liked section, you can find the person that likes you. You can see likes you option. Here you will be able to find all of the notifications regarding any of the accounts, profile that have liked you, and you like the accounts that you have liked. You will also find them over here, right? And that will be the way you can simply come over there, and you can see who will have liked you and who you have liked. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.